Video to fix Assassin's Creed Shadows crashing, and I promise it's easier than you think. Are you tired of the game closing suddenly while you play? You are not alone. This problem happens because the game sometimes clashes with your system settings or outdated files. Many solutions on YouTube or social media are long, confusing, and hard to follow, leaving you frustrated. But today on Rexish, I will show a secret trick that works fast and keeps your game stable. It's simple, and you don't need to waste hours trying random fixes. If you want, I can make a full step-by-step tutorial showing every move you need to do to stop Assassin's Creed Shadows from crashing. Comment below, and I'll guide you through it completely. Don't struggle anymore. Let's make your game run smooth again with this easy trick.